Hey everyone, welcome back to part 3 of our WordPress CRUD Plugin Series. In the last video, we created a custom admin menu page. Now, it's time to set up a custom database table that will store our plugin data like name and email. So here one question, why create a custom table? By default, WordPress has its own tables, but for custom data, it's better to use your own table. So it keeps your plugin clean, organized, and separate from WordPress core data. Now, go to VS Editor, mycardplugin.php. Here one call the function register activation hook. Register activation hook. This function only runs once when the plugin is activated. File, comma, my card plugin create table. Now write function, copy this function, paste here, first bracket open and close, and write global $WP db. Now write table name $table name equal to $WP db hyphen and prefix space dot space write my card data semicolon. Next, character set set collect equal to $WP db hyphen greater than get underscore character set collect. Further open and close and semicolon. Next, SQL query for add the column $SQL create and semicolon create table if not exist dollar copy the variable table name, copy and paste here, first bracket open and close, ID medium integer 9 not null auto increment comma. Next, name varchar 100 not null. comma, email, varchar 100 not null, comma. Next, create at date time default current timestamp, comma. Next, primary key, bracket open and close, write id, bracket close and write dollar, copy this variable, paste here, semicolon, and here I correct the code, some spelling mistake and the syntax is error. Now go to WordPress dashboard and now here deactivate the plugin and now active the plugin. But before active the plugin, we go to localhost and reload the page and see the WordPress table. Only 12 table is present. Now click the active button. Plugin is activated. Now go to phpMyAdmin and reload the phpMyAdmin and see 13 tables and see WP My Card Data, the table name. So in the next video we will add a form inside a plugin page to let user submit name and email. That data will be stored into the database. So don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell to get notified when part 4 is drops. Thank you.